Today, what we are going to bring you is greetings. The way we greet. In Igbo, we call it ekele, mobokwa ekele. While French call it salutation. Salut, salutation. Greetings, greeting. Igbo call it ekele, some call it ekele, French call it salutation, salutation. Hello, hello. Igbo call it ndewo, ndewo. French call it bonjour, bonjour. Good morning, good morning. Igbo call it ụtụtụ ọma, ụtụtụ ọma. French call it bon matin, bon matin. In every cases, they always say bonjour to bonjour. How are you? Kedu. Igbo say kedu. French say ça va, ça va, tu vas bien? I am fine. Adem mma. Igbo said Adem mma. French say ça va bien, ça va bien, merci, thank you. Igbo say imeela, imeela. French say merci, merci, merci beaucoup. Welcome, welcome. Igbo say no, no. French say bienvenue, bienvenue. Good night, good night. Igbo said kachifo, kachifo. French say bonne nuit, bonne nuit, bonne nuit. Bye bye, bye. Igbo said ka emesia, ka emesia. French said au revoir, au revoir. Thank you. Please, if you have never subscribed to us, please subscribe to us. We are just a beginner trying to guide our children home and abroad. That is why we involve 3 languages. If we teach them Igbo without English, they cannot be able to understand it. If we teach them English and Igbo without French, my children also here cannot be able to understand it. That is why we go with 3 languages. Please just touch the red button just to encourage us. Just to encourage us.